Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to add tables to Google Docs. Tables are incredibly useful tools for organizing information, presenting data clearly, and enhancing the readability of your documents. Whether you're creating a schedule, comparing data, or simply structuring text, mastering tables in Google Docs will significantly boost your productivity. We'll cover everything from inserting a basic table to customizing its appearance and even some advanced tips to make your documents shine. Let's get started and transform the way you manage information. Let's dive into the simplest way to insert a table. First, open your Google Docs document and place your cursor where you want the table to appear. Next, navigate to the Insert menu at the top of your screen. From the drop-down, select Table. You'll then see a grid appear. Simply drag your mouse over the grid to select the number of rows and columns you need. For example, you might choose a 3x4 table. Once you've made your selection, click, and your new table will instantly appear in your document, ready for your content. Once your table is in place, you'll likely want to customize it to fit your specific needs. Google Docs offers several easy ways to do this. You can adjust column widths and row heights by dragging the borders, ensuring your content fits perfectly. To create more complex layouts, you can merge multiple cells into one or split a single cell into several. Furthermore, you can enhance the visual appeal by changing border styles, adding background shading to cells, and aligning text within them. These options allow you to tailor your table's appearance precisely. To truly master tables in Google Docs, consider these pro tips. Always use tables primarily for organizing structured data, rather than just for page layout, which can sometimes cause accessibility issues. For better accessibility, especially for users with screen readers, remember to add alternative text descriptions to your tables. This provides context for the data presented. Finally, the best way to become proficient is through practice. Experiment with different table sizes, customization options, and data types. The more you use them, the more intuitive table creation will become, making your documents more professional and organized.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.